Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to register for an account on Shein. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the official Shein application from the Play Store if you haven't already, or from the App Store if you have an iPhone. And after downloading the application guys, go ahead and open it up on your mobile phone. So after opening up the application guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application, which is the shop section where you can see all the items that you can buy. So guys, now if you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see all the sections that we can access, such as shop. We have the category section right here. We have the new section, cart, me, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we want to register for an account. What we want to do guys is go ahead to the me section right here at the bottom of the screen, click on me guys, and in this new section you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this page where you can see your orders, your services, and so on. And at the top of the screen is going to appear a text that says sign in register. So what you want to do guys is click on that, and then you will come to this new page where you can go ahead and sign up for an account. As you can see, I already have an account, but what you want to do guys is just go ahead and enter your email and the password that you want to use. And after doing that guys, go ahead and click sign in, and it will automatically create an account for you. As you can see, I have now successfully logged into my account. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.